Good morning, students. Today we are going to see another technology that is introduced in the banking sector. In the last class we have seen about automated teller machine, that was ATM. Okay, ATM के बारे में हम लोगों ने पूरा देखा कि types of ATM कौन से है, what are the advantages of ATM, that are the benefits. Then we have seen the structure of ATM. So today we are going to see one more technology, that is कैश डिपॉजिट मशीन. नाउ पहले कैसा था, इफ़ यू वांटेड टू डिपॉजिट कैश, व्हाट यू आर सपोज टू डू, यू हैव टू फिल इन द डिपॉजिट स्लिप, वेट इन द क्यू, व्हेन द नंबर कम्स यू कैन डिपॉजिट योर मनी. बट नाउ like ATM machine only, there are some cash deposit machines that are installed. Okay, here you can deposit your cash. Some self service terminals बोलते हैं, which helps the customers to deposit the cash and also do the payment transaction by cash. Okay, now this CDM machine, that is cash deposit machine, ये जो CDM machine है, it allows the customer or the account holder to deposit cash directly into the account using the ATM कम debit machine card. Okay, अगर आपके पास debit card, ATM ऐसा कुछ है, then what you can do, अगर आपका जो ATM card है, it is ATM card कम debit card. If you have that card, then you can deposit कैश विदाउट स्टैंडिंग इन द बैंक और विदाउट विजिटिंग द बैंक. अगर आपके यहाँ पे वो मशीन है, CDM मशीन है, देन यू कैन यूज़ इट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, वॉट एवर कैश यू डिपॉजिट इट विल बी इंस्टेंटली क्रेडिटेड इन योर अकाउंट विदाउट विजिटिंग द ब्रांच. ओके, और वो ट्रांजेक्शन का जो रिसिप्ट है इट विल बी अपडेटेड इन द अकाउंट बैलेंस. सो कैश डिपॉजिट मशीन ऑफ SBI डज नॉट अलाउ टू डिपॉजिट कैश इनटू द अकाउंट मेंटेन इन ICICI. अगर SBI की मशीन है तो वो दूसरे अकाउंट को वो ये नहीं करेगी, दे विल नॉट एंटरटेन. ओनली if you are a SBI customer and if you want to deposit cash in SBI account, then it will allow you. Okay, SBI के पास है cash deposit machine, but if you have cash deposit SBI account and you also have ICICI account and you want to deposit cash in ICICI account by using SBI credit cash deposit machine, you can't do that. Okay, it can be done only with the account which you have with that particular bank who is having that machine. Okay, so what are the features of CDM? So here there is instant credit of the cash deposit in your own account. Okay, इट इज़ क्विक एंड कन्वीनियंट वे टू डिपॉजिट कैश. अगर आपको ईजिली आपका क्विकली आपका कैश डिपॉजिट हो सकता है. Here there is paperless transaction. Okay, the per transaction limit to deposit money varies from the bank to bank. However, the minimum amount that can be deposited is ₹100 and the maximum is 49,900. Okay, per transaction, that is below 50,000. 50,000 के ऊपर आप लोग transactions नहीं कर सकते. For SBI the per transaction limit is 49,900 for कार्डलेस डिपॉजिट एंड थ्रू डेबिट कार्ड इट इज़ 2 लाख. ओके, अगर आपका SBI है, इफ़ यू डोंट हैव द कार्ड देन यू कैन डिपॉजिट ओनली 49,900, बट इफ़ यू हैव अ डेबिट कार्ड देन यू कैन डिपॉजिट till 2 lakh, but provided you have a PAN card number. Okay, only then you can deposit above 50,000. Okay, next is you can also deposit cash in your PPF account, that is pension fund account, or recurring deposit, that is RD account, or loan account. Okay, ये तीनों account में you can deposit your cash. Then up to 200 currency note can be deposited in the single transaction. Okay, 200 मतलब 200 तक numbers. Okay, count बोलते हैं, उतने करेंसी नोट कैन बी डिपॉजिट इन अ सिंगल ट्रांजेक्शन. दिस CDM मशीन, that is cash deposit machine, only accept denominations of 100, 500 and 2000. ओके, अगर आप लोग मिक्स डालोगे नहीं चलेगा. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू पुट 100 वाला, अगर आपके पास 2000 का है 2000 का डालो, मतलब इट शुड बी इन डिनोमिनेशन. 10 रुपये का या 50 रुपीज़ का इट वोंट अलाउ. Next machine is the check deposit machine. First we have seen the cash deposit machine. The second one is check deposit machine. Check deposit machine is a self-service kiosk designed for automation of check collection operation and issuing receipt to the users. पहले कैसा था, if you want to deposit check then you have to fill in the deposit slip, that is check deposit slip आपको fill करना पड़ता था. Then you have to visit the bank and then your check would have got deposited. But now they have a machine that is known as check deposit machine, which will collect your check and it will give you what? It will give you a receipt. Okay, so check deposit machine can be used for the check payment collection centers of telecom companies, insurance premium collections centers, buildings and construction companies, and other applications requiring automatic check collection like utility bill payment. So here most of the check machines is found in the e-lobby of the bank or in the premises of the bank. So जो बैंक के प्रीमाइसिस है उसके अंदर ही क्या होंगे, देयर विल बी चेक डिपॉजिट मशीन. सो हाउ डज दिस चेक डिपॉजिट मशीन वर्क्स. ओके, उसका वर्क फ्लो कैसा रहता है. सो व्हेन द एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट्स, वेलकम screen is shown to the customer along with the instruction for touch the screen to the proceed. Okay, जब आप डिपॉजिट करने जाओगे फर्स्ट क्या होगा, देयर विल बी अ विंडो स्क्रीन. विंडो स्क्रीन के क्या आएगा, टच द स्क्रीन टू proceed. Okay, you have to touch the screen then it will proceed. So after click स्क्रीन कस्टमर विल बी आस्क्ड टू एंटर अकाउंट नंबर. वेलकम करके आएगा, जब उसको क्लिक करोगे आप तो क्या होगा, यू हैव टू एंटर योर अकाउंट नंबर. सो वंस यू एंटर योर अकाउंट नंबर, उसके बाद क्या होगा, दे विल बी वन कमांड विच विल बी गिवन, दैट इज प्लीज वेट. ओके, एंड द अकाउंट नंबर दे विल डिस्प्ले एंड इन द बैकग्राउंड एंटर्ड अकाउंट नंबर विल बी वैलिडेटेड. अगर आपका अकाउंट नंबर करेक्ट है देन द सक्सेसफुल रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द कोर नेम एंड अकाउंट नंबर इज डिस्प्लेड ऑन द स्क्रीन. ओके, on confirming the above beneficiary details, customer has to enter the check amount. जो check का amount है they have to enter that. So on the valid amount entry, customer will be asked to enter the check. Okay, तो check enter करना है. So after successfully reading the MICR line from the check, a confirmation screen will be displayed showing all the check details. Okay, आप लोगों ने देखा ना MICR, मैंने explain किया था, नीचे जो आता है वहाँ पे एक नंबर रहता है and that will be read by the check. चेक का वो रीड किया जाएगा, that is MICR, मैग्नेटिक इंक जो नंबर प्रिंट किए रहते हैं, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इफ़ यू वांट टू डिपॉजिट द चेक. ओके, तो वो वहाँ पे पहले डिटेल्स चेक किए जाएंगे. देन after successfully reading, only for successful transaction receipt will be presented to the customers. Okay, if your transaction is not correct and receipt won't be printed. Okay, so customer will be asked whether they wish to deposit more check in the same account. Okay, once the transaction is over they will give a thank you screen will be shown on the customer. Okay, so this is how a check deposit machine will work. Next is features of check deposit machine. What are the features? That is the check deposit machine works 24/7. Okay, check deposit machine पूरे दिन चलती है, पूरी रात चलती है. And it is free of cost, also cost saving. Okay, it is free of cost. ऐसे नहीं कि you have to pay the amount for check depositing your check. Next is no need to wait at the counter for acknowledgement, so time is saved. Okay, तो आपको ज़रूरत नहीं कि आपको काउंटर पे रुकना है. So it is what time saving. So these are the details that is very important when a question comes. चेक डिपॉजिट मशीन के बारे में लिखो, तो आप लोग पहले इंट्रोडक्शन लिखो, उसके बाद व्हाट इज चेक डिपॉजिट मशीन कैसे चलती है, एंड देन द फीचर्स. Okay, it will come, if it comes for the 4 marks. Okay, next is passbook printing machine. This is the thing which we already know. Okay, अगर आपको चेकबुक, आपके ट्रांजेक्शन्स के डिटेल्स चाहिए, आपके बैंक अकाउंट का डिटेल्स चाहिए, then what you have to do, you have to print a passbook. Okay, only when it is printed, then you will come to know what are the transactions that have taken place in your account. So it is an automated kiosk where customer can print their passbook on their own. Okay, so machine recognizes the account details from the magnetic strip placed on the passbook. Okay, पासबुक पे एक मैग्नेटिक स्ट्रिप रहती है, वो क्या करते हैं, इट विल रीड द डिटेल्स. ओके, वंस द डिटेल इज रेड, देन क्या करेंगे, दिस कियोस्क क्या करेंगे, इट विल फेच द अकाउंट ट्रांजेक्शन्स डिटेल्स एंड प्रिंट ऑन द पासबुक. ओके, पासबुक पे क्या करेंगे, इट विल प्रिंट. सो कस्टमर कैन यूज दिस फैसिलिटी 24/7 फ्रॉम द SSB PB मशीन्स. ओके, इंस्टॉल्ड इन द ई लॉबी और द ATM. और ATM में भी रहता है इन पासबुक प्रिंटिंग मशीन का. ओके, सो फीचर्स ऑफ पासबुक प्रिंटिंग मशीन. ओके, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स? So your passbook printing machine is fully automated machine having the ability to auto flip, auto align and update the customer passbook without any intervention of the branch staff or the customer. Okay, आपको कभी भी आप लोग जाके प्रिंट कर सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं कि you require the help of the bank staff. Okay, next is customer has to simply insert the passbook with only one cover page. Okay, open, जो आपका cover page है, it should be open and it will print for you. So machine will automatically flip and align the page and print on the appropriate page locations or the pages. Okay, passbook printing machine uses magnetic strip on the barcode based on account recognition system. Okay, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा आपके पासबुक के ऊपर एक बारकोड लगा है. So according with what that will do, it will scan the barcode and it will help you to print the passbook. Okay, it will bear a printed number which is already stored in the magnetic strip on the passbook and mapped with the customer account. Okay, passbook pages have been made with grayscale strip which facilitates easy. Okay, यहाँ पे they can read it easily. Okay, simple, convenient, cost saving and time saving also. Okay, you need not need मतलब पहले क्या सभी लोगों को अपना ट्रांजेक्शन्स देखने की बहुत जल्दी रहता है. सो एवरीबडी वॉन्ट टू प्रिंट देयर पासबुक. इफ़ यू गो टू अ बैंक देयर विल बी अ बिग क्यू ओनली फॉर प्रिंटिंग द पासबुक. ओके, सो दिस इज़ वेरी टाइम सेविंग. योर टाइम वोंट बी वेस्टेड टू स्टैंड इन अ क्यू. ओके, simple, convenient, cost saving and time saving process. Okay, simple services this service is available 24/7 in the e-lobby or the ATM cabinet. Okay, so wherever there is a ATM you will find a passbook reading machine over there. These are the details about passbook printing machine. Next is credit card and debit card. Now we know what is debit card and credit card. Okay, they are very important for us. Okay, debit card or credit card. So let's see what is first credit card. Now credit card कैसे रहता है? Suppose now you have a account. If you want to purchase one mobile. Okay, now that mobile cost around 30-40,000. Okay, suppose पकड़ो 40,000 का mobile है, but in your bank account you have only 20,000 and you know that after a month you will get 20,000 more. So but you can't wait till a month. Okay, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can use a credit card. Okay, credit card यूज़ करने से क्या होगा? You can buy that, you can enjoy purchasing the product even if you don't have your money in the bank. Okay, so this is a very useful for people who don't have the balance in their account. Okay, so here credit facilities is for the holder who want to purchase goods and services. Okay, so sometimes it is also known as plastic money because it is made up of plastic which is durable and convenient to carry. You can carry it anywhere however how you want to carry it. Okay, but there has been growth in credit card business and it's increasing using a step forward of cashless society. Okay, so these credit card are accepted to the business establishment whose names are notified by the bank to the card holder. Okay, so thus credit card facility is tripartite arrangement involving issuing bank, the card holder and the member of the establishment. Okay, so let's see what are the features of credit card. Credit card के features क्या क्या है. First is this card is only issued to the person who is having a account with the bank. Okay, that is their customers only. They will not charge you any fees for the issue of the card. Okay, so here some charges, initial enrollment की जो fees है they will take, but it will as well as some annual fees for maintaining the credit card. The person whose income is above the minimum level is prescribed by the issuer banker. Otherwise, they will not make you eligible to have a credit card. They will check all your account details, and if you are eligible, then only they will provide you a credit card. They won't provide you to anyone who want to have it. Okay. This is also known as plastic card because it is made up of plastic and it is having a good value. Okay, because you can have any transactions. Okay, and credit cards, these credit cards can be used anywhere, like for example shops, hotel, departmental stores, travel agent, tourist companies, private bus operators, railway, airlines. Okay, so everybody accepts this credit card. So while you want to purchase the goods also, you can carry a credit card. Okay, so here they had here you have to just swipe off your credit card and the payment will be done even if you don't have a cash in your account. Okay, so banker makes the payment to the establishment. Okay, जो establishment को payment करना है they will pay it, but they will charge you discount. Okay, that is 2 to 4%, in the range of 2 to 4%. So the bank then bills the credit card holder for the full amount at the end of the specified period. Okay, usually a month. So credit card जो है, when not an account holder of the bank, has to make full payment within 15 days. Okay, अगर वो credit card holder बैंक का customer नहीं है, then you have to pay within 15 months. Okay, sorry, 15 days. But if he is an account holder, then he can do it after 30 days. Okay, so these are the features of credit card. Next we'll see the parties of the credit card. Who are the parties of credit card? Okay, so here the card holder, the member establishment and the issuing bank, these are the parties of the credit card. Okay, then we'll see the advantages of credit card holder. Okay, advantages. What are the advantages that a credit card holder will have? So it will provide credit card holders to build inbuilt credit up to a certain limit. Okay, it is safer because there is no need to carry large amount of discount. Okay, large amount of cash. Credit card gives purchasing power to the card holder. Okay, so certain benefits like insurance and discounts are available to the card holder. That is personal accident insurance, mediclaim insurance, discount offered on certain items purchased by from the member establishment. Okay, the card holders are relieved of the worry of possible loss since they can travel without carrying a cash. Okay, you can if you don't want to carry a cash, then you can carry a credit card. So in case of need, the card holder can use the card to withdraw the cash. Next we'll see advantages to the bank. What are the advantages to the bank? So it can bring profit to the bank out of the income or the commission earned. Okay, जो commission earn करेंगे उससे उसको income मिल सकता है. Next is bank can attract new potential customers, resulting in development of the banking habits among the people. So it can also lead to increase in the turnover as a use of credit card by the card holder. So increased use of the card and better network of the card holder increases the popularity of the bank. Then the bank customer base increases. Okay, जो customer की जो base है, it will also get increased. Next is the bank customer base increases, तो क्या होगा, bank will also earn the more amount of income. So bank's interest in card holder avails facility to settle the bills. Okay, तब भी उनका income increase बढ़ जाता है. Then it can reduce the credit risk of the bank since cardholder who avail the credit facility are financially screened by the bank. Okay, so these are the advantages to the bank. Next is advantages to the member establishment. हाउ इट ऑल्सो हैव्स द मेंबर इस्टेब्लिशमेंट, मतलब अगर आप लोग बिग बाज़ार से कुछ ख़रीदना चाहते हैं बट यू डोंट हैव कैश इमीडिएटली और यू डोंट हैव मनी इन योर अकाउंट, तो ये बिग बाज़ार को कैसे फ़ायदा होगा? सपोज यू हैव अ क्रेडिट कार्ड, देन यू कैन डू द पेमेंट, तो उसका क्या होगा? देयर विल बी इंक्रीज इन द सेल, एंड व्हेन देयर इज इंक्रीज इन द सेल देयर विल बी प्रॉफिट दैट विल बी अर्नड बाय देम. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज they can sell goods on credit but they are not their own risk. Okay, so their payment is guaranteed by the issuing bank. Okay, the name of the dealer who is the members are notified and they get the publicity in number of ways. Then member establishment provides incidental services to the card holders, reservation reservation on telephone, etc. So in case of loss, the holder liability is limited. So here are the some of the this thing. In case of loss, the loss भी हो गया, then holder liability is limited. So our all customer just carries the card and buys whatever they want in a great facility. So these are the some of the advantages that is for the mercantile members. Okay, sorry, that is the member establishment. Next we'll see the disadvantages. There are some disadvantages also, that is all outlets do not accept the card. Okay, even if you have a credit card, अगर कोई कोई बैंक के ऐसे क्रेडिट कार्ड रहते हैं कि some of the establishment they don't allow you to use, they don't accept it. Okay, so customers tends to be overspent. Okay, क्या होता है, कस्टमर कभी कभी क्रेडिट कार्ड है तो ओवर स्पेंड करता है. एंड द कार्ड होल्डर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द चार्जेस ड्यू टू लॉस ऑफ theft or car of the card, and a bank may not be partly for the loss due to fraud or collusion of the staff, etc. Okay, some credit card transactions take longer time because of the various formalities. Discount and rebates can be rarely be obtained. Okay, it might lead to spending habits and car holders may end up in a big debt. Okay, customer may be denied cash discount for the payment through card. Okay, cash discount जो है वो कार्ड से नहीं मिलते. So what are the precautions that should be taken to ensure that his card is safe? Okay, so here this part is very important when you are having a credit card. Okay, the card holder should not keep the card undersigned once he receives it from the bank. Okay, customer should ensure that the charge slip is prepared in his presence and sign it. Okay, जो charge slip मतलब जो print होके आता है, it is prepared in front of him. Customer should always take his card back after the charge slip is prepared. Okay, customer should never sign any charge slip which is incomplete. Okay, cardholder must confirm that the amount shown in the charge slip is the same that is shown in the bill. Okay, so these are some of the details of the credit card. In the next class we will see what is debit card.